Turn any song into a viral AI music video in one click. That's the promise. Today, I'm testing out BeatViz AI, an AI music video maker that helps music creators, producers, and content creators turn their tracks into visually engaging videos without complex editing or technical setup. And I'll show you a few ways you can make money with this. Here is a brief demo of what I am talking about.
You pull up in that old Grady, hair tied back, but you still kill me. Laughing in the doorway, shoes half on, leaving little pieces of your day on my floor. You say you only got an hour.
Now, I recently found this channel that has absolutely blown up to over 160,000 subscribers and million views in just a few months. And the strategy behind it is brilliant. They're uploading AI-generated music videos, beautifully styled visuals synced perfectly to trending songs. The content is so engaging, so polished, that people can't scroll past. And that's exactly why each video is pulling in millions of views. We're talking serious numbers here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how this AI works, step by step. We'll upload a song, watch it transform into a complete music video, and I'll break down the exact strategies you can use to create content like this channel is doing. Stick around until the end because you're not going to want to miss how simple this actually is. First things first, head over to BeatViz and create your account if you haven't already. The sign-up process is straightforward and takes just a minute. Then click on Create to enter their dashboard. All right, we're in. The main dashboard has this sleek, dark interface that's actually pretty easy to navigate. On the left side, you'll notice several features, including their built-in music generation tool. But today, we're heading straight to the music video agent. And this is where BeatViz really separates itself from the pack. Unlike most AI tools where you're just typing prompts and hoping for the best, here you're feeding it an actual song. The AI works with your music, not just your description of it. You'll see two options, simple mode and custom mode. We'll kick things off with simple mode to see what this thing can do. I'm clicking upload audio and selecting my track. Now, I'm assuming you've already got your song ready to go. If not, no worries. I've got other videos covering how to generate tracks using AI tools like Suno and Top Media, so check those out. Here's a cool feature. If you're using Suno AI, you can actually paste the direct link to your song right here instead of downloading it first. That's a massive time saver. Perfect. Now we've got the waveform displayed. BeatViz lets you choose exactly which 1-minute section you want to turn into a video. I'm going to grab this portion right where the vocals kick in. That's usually where the magic happens. Perfect. Our audio input is locked and loaded. Now check out this setting down at the bottom, Content Mode. This is a brand new feature BeatViz just rolled out, and it's a game changer. Under Content Mode, you've got two choices, storytelling and singing. Since I'm going for a moody, cinematic vibe, something that feels more like a short film than just a straightforward performance, I'm selecting Storytelling Mode. Next up, let's talk about quality settings. BeatViz recently dropped a new Pro model that renders in full 1080p. This gives you significantly sharper resolution and way more detail in your final output. And here's the kicker. It actually costs fewer credits than the old system used to charge. That's a win-win. I'm toggling that Pro model on, and I'm setting the clip duration to 10 seconds per segment. For aspect ratio, I'm sticking with 16:9, that classic widescreen format that gives you that proper cinematic look. Under the Style section, I'm selecting the Romantic and Soft and Realistic Authentic preset. Now here's where things get interesting. See this character option? This lets you lock in a consistent character that'll appear throughout your video. You can either upload a character you've already created or build one from scratch right here in the platform. Let's build one. I'm describing a 22-year-old male Playboy character and uploading a reference image to guide the AI. Whoa, look at that. The result is remarkably close to my reference. Almost eerily accurate, but in the best way possible. The quality is genuinely impressive. I'm locking that in. Next up, we describe the visual style we're going for. I'm keeping it simple. Cinematic and realistic video. That's all the AI needs to get started. And we're processing. Done. The AI just presented me with 3 different creative concepts to choose from. Since we're working with an R&B track, I'm going with this middle option direction. It fits the vibe perfectly. Check out this storyboard. The frames are beautifully cinematic, and our Playboy character is featured throughout. Everything's looking solid so far. Time to bring these stills to life. When I click this music analysis button, something really cool happens. The AI dissects our entire song, breaking it into segments, identifying tempo shifts, rhythm patterns, and even the emotional tone of each section. Now, let's generate the clips. It will take some seconds. Let's preview one of the clips.
You pull up in that old Grady, hair tied back, but you still...
Wow, these look fantastic. The visuals are crisp, realistic, and the motion is surprisingly smooth. And if there's a glitch in any of the clips, I can just regenerate that specific clip. Now let's confirm everything and compose the final video. Let's preview it.
You pull up in that old Grady, hair tied back, but you still kill me. Laughing in the doorway, shoes half on, leaving little pieces of your day on my floor. You say you only got an hour, maybe need a place to lay the weight you're carrying. You fall into my arms like it's routine, like we press rewind on the same slow scene. After midnight, call me, you know where I'll be. Turn the lock so softly, let your worries slide off you and onto me. Touch me like you're tired, kiss me like you're free. After midnight, call me when you only wanna feel nothing. After midnight, call me when you only wanna feel nothing. You trace circles on my white t-shirt.
Look at how tightly the visuals sync with the lyrics. It's clear the AI analyzed each line individually and generated corresponding scenes that actually tell the story. There are a couple of minor hiccups toward the end. One shot where the alarm clock unexpectedly changed to a phone. But honestly, for an AI-generated video, this is remarkably solid. The standout feature here is how the visuals pulse and move in rhythm with the music. That synchronization is what makes it feel professional. Once you're finished, download the file and upload it straight to your YouTube channel. You're ready to start growing your audience. BeatViz offers a free plan so you can test everything out. But here's the key. Their paid plans include commercial rights. That means this professional-looking music video you just created in roughly 10 minutes? Fully monetizable. This is the exact type of content that channels are using right now to pull in millions of views and explode their subscriber counts. The formula works, and now you know how to execute it. Thanks for watching, and now go create something incredible.